off the ground. All right, guys, we're out here moving some logs for my mom and dad. We've got a big load on the back of my dad's truck. I'm gonna take them down here and dump them. Then I'm gonna get my camera and set it up and show y'all the rest of this stuff. It's fun. This is what hillbillies do. I don't know what kind of dog that is. It must be the neighbors. He just come down here a minute ago. He ain't got no collar on. I don't know who he is, where he come from. He's nice. Anyway, I'm taking these big ass logs in this truck, dumping them off in this hole right here. There's a swamp right here, and you couldn't get nothing down there anyway if you wanted to. Hopefully one day I can get this power line pushed out with a dozer and flattened down through here a little bit where I can maybe plant a food plot or something in it. But as of right now, I'm just going to dump them over and weeds will grow up around them and I'll never even know they was there. And I mow up through here, but I can't mow the steep part, so I'll just let weeds grow up around them and they'll rot. Or I'll come down here and burn them one day. It'll be all right. We had to do something with them. It's pine. Nobody didn't want them for logs for some reason. They're good lumber. Nobody wouldn't come get them, so I guess it wasn't worth their time to unload their equipment and to load the logs up and then load their equipment back up. Wasn't worth what the logs are worth, so we're just having to throw them away. But can't burn it in the stove. It's pine. I don't know what else to do with it. Maybe have a bonfire, but it'll be down here. I can come down here and get it if I need it before it rots, but that's what I'm doing, so here y'all go. You done?
I'd say it's bad, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Golly. Man, you done some cutting while I was gone.
I'm not telling you, I gave him a figure.
We got to get all this stuff out of here, y'all. All right, guys, we got a load of wood. We're going down this power line down here. We're gonna dump these logs over the bank. I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah, a little bit steep. Not too bad. I'm gonna pull up here on this hill, turn around. This thing goes like a tank, boy, especially with all that wood on it. Log's trying to get off of there. It don't want to be on there no more. I'm gonna have to turn around right here. Back up a little farther because I filled my hole up there a little bit. I make some weird faces. Y'all gonna have to get used to that if you like my channel. All right. I'll back that down. See that lift on the back? I'll figure I'll wrap that chain around the end of that log and make a little loop in it and just hook it over. Well, the ball, you can't use the ball. I have to wrap it around that bar. I can pick those logs up sideways with the bucket, but I'm not gonna drag them. Right, so holding it up off the ground. think we can get them two
The
right there.
hydraulic system on that is stronger than hers.
I'm tired, y'all. I've been working out here since I got home at about 5:30 or something. I ain't quit. It's dark, but it's I don't know what time. Dark. It's dark 30. I don't know what time that is right now. Anyhow, I got this load of logs. My Uncle James, he's following me with the last drag log that we got. This big giant load of logs in the back. It's the last load we should have to take today. I got some more on the other side of the creek, but I ain't gonna work all night. I'm gonna wait till another day to finish it. Well, guys, this is what I grew up doing. This was my life as a kid. My dad, he worked really hard to make his property look good, and it does look good. And I'm proud of him for what he done, making it nice and paying for it, working his hind end off. He's disabled. I got to do my part, help him do what I'm supposed to do. That's part of being a hillbilly in my book. So I hope y'all like this content. We worked pretty hard tonight, me and my Uncle James, and that tractor, man, it makes it nice. It's $227 a month for that thing. And I don't care what it costed. It's $227 a month, and it's worth every dime of it. My back would have been wore out, and my chainsaw chain, by the time I cut all them into small enough sizes to pick them up on my back. You know, and I work, fam. I gotta have some money. I gotta work, so I can't be down in my back. So, but anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and make some more content like this, and have a good time, and do what we can. Appreciate y'all for watching. Have a good night.